Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a filter on YouTube Shorts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do first is just to go to your YouTube web app or mobile app so you can start creating your shorts. So I'm just going to click on the plus sign to start creating content. Now we need just to click on add and I'm just going to use this video so we can uh, just as a demo and I'm just going to click on this one, and basically from here we will be able to see filters. So basically here in the filters we will be able to see the coloring that is changing for the filter, and of course depends on the color of your video you will be able to start applying filters for your video. So whenever you want to discard your filters you will be able to do it. And as you can see, we can find stickers and filters. Now, after choosing any filter that you have liked, for example, let's go for this soft. It has soften all this dark area and it has make everything to be even, or some electric filter or whatever was the filter that you would like for your video, and you will need just to click on confirm. So by clicking on confirm, you will have your filter that has been added. So now you can simply click on done and click on next. And now you will be needing just to add the caption for your short. You can give it a visibility. You can make it unlisted or whatever you like. You can also select a specific audience for this short. So you can make to avoid restrictions, etc. And then you can upload the short. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.